accept Google, accept payments. I'm gonna show you right now with Google Pay, and let's jump right in this video. And if you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it. So what you're gonna have to do here is to go to websites, okay, and then here just make sure you select select here edit site, please. And now from here, what we're gonna have to do is very simple. Now wait a couple of seconds, and now we're gonna have to click on here online store, please, and now select here manage store, please. And now from this dashboard, we're gonna have to select payments, and then from payments here, we're gonna have to set up our Stripe account, please. So set up your Stripe account. You can do it in a couple of minutes. If you don't have a Stripe account, please create one. So this will work. And now go to your Stripe account, please. Go to settings here. Here, make sure you go to settings. Let's click on settings, then select payments here. And then from payment, select payment method. And now here on, on this wallet, on wallets here, we have Google Pay. Global, popular globally. You can also enable from here, turn on Apple Pay. So just click on turn on here, Google Pay, turn on cards in Google Pay. And that's pretty much what you need to do. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more suggestions for the next video, please leave your suggestions down below. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Share with more people that are looking to do this. And I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.